Welcome to our YouTube channel Lovebirds. Now you can see this is a blue bird. What is his name?
His name Liza.
So you can see you are watching Lisa. Lisa is eating. Lisa likes to eat green vegetables. You can see here. Do you see who is he?
Mira.
Her name is Mira. Hey, where are you going? You want to eat some green vegetables? Go eat this. See, you can see how aggressively she eating. Are. They are just like 17 or 50 days babies. You can see they are eating their favorite food. Hey, cutie. Oh, she bites a lot. Are. Now their third brother. Where is he? Oh. Oh, wait. I will come in little bit. Where are you?
He's red eyes, but
So you can see he is hiding. He's trying to hide in these bushes, but he don't know it's not bushes. It's Are, where are you going, baby? So you can see it's eating palak. Are palak. I think he likes palak. Are he is hiding from us. Hey you, where are you going? You can see his eyes are red. Literally, bird's eyes are not red, but you can see his eyes. He's so You sit here. You can see his eyes. See, it's red. And see his eyes. It's black. So you can see the difference between them. So he's born different. You can see his combined colors, and you can see he's only blue and white. So you sit here and wait. Celebrating. So you can see three birds eating Kutmir. Now he is eating it very nicely. You can see. And by the way, he is very naughty bird. You can see he bites. See? No, he's not biting. Oh, he's quite baby. And what is Mira doing? Where is Mira? Mira is here. Mira likes to eat vegetables, but she is eating Kutmiri. See, he is eating how they eat. They likes to eat. Their mommy daddy had taught them to eat like that. So you can see how he is eating by the thumb. So as you can see, he is quite sleepy. So you can see he can sleep here also. See, he is very angry. His mouth has turned green. Are white baby. You can see his eyes. You see, they are red in color. See how he is eating nicely. So enough for today, and bye bye, and see you soon to our next video. And Mira, what is her name? Lisa, and this is their big brother
John Cena.
John Cena. He's from New John Cena. We have 3 John Cenas, but they literally have gone from our home. So this is our 4th John Cena. You can see. And how is eating? You can watch this.